What's up, everybody? So I'm coming, I guess I gotta look this way. I'm coming to you from the rooftop pool of the TWA Hotel at JFK. And I'm sipping my Martini. It's been a crazy trip, but this is it. This is a done deal for me now. So turned in the keys to the apartment. And it kind of felt, it was a little much, but it was the finality of it. But you know, is what it is. But check out this view, you guys. Look at this. So this is looking in the pool. South Patrick. So this is the view right there. Look at this. You got the view of the runway right here. Yeah. See if I can flip this around so you can quit looking at me. So this is the pool right here. This is what you see right there. Look at that. You can see the planes coming in for landing at JFK.
Oh yeah.
I should walk up here for a second. I want you guys to see something. Hold on. So let me get out of the pool a little bit. There's the bar. Now look at, you can see Lower Manhattan, and you can see also Midway Manhattan, Midtown Manhattan right there. Looks like it's raining down there. Look at all that. So down here we're looking at the flight center of the TWA. Hey, what's up, Mark? So this is the flight center. This is the main lobby area, and those two tubes lead to the hotel tower. You see the tower right there, and we're in the other one right here. And then you see the JetBlue terminal behind that. So I'm trying not to make it too jerky. So if you guys can see off in the horizon, it looks like it's raining big time in New York. To about a third to the left of your screen right there, you see the World Trade Center. To the left, 1/3 to the left from your of the screen to the left. And then equally amounts from the right, you see the really tall towers right by Central Park West, or South. Excuse me, I'm sorry guys, I'm a little bit tired. So let's get back in the pool, all right? How about that? And this water is so warm, you guys. Now, seeing all that rain in New York, I hope my flight's going to be on time. Hopefully that'll stay over there and not come out here. I needed this, you guys. Definitely needed this. All right, enough of me. Let's look at some planes. Hey, you know what, Mark? It is nice, and it's been a rough trip. I'm exhausted, and I'm ready to get on a plane and go home. All right, you guys, I wanted to say thank you for watching my little travels here and there. This is the end of a chapter today, and I hope to come to New York. The next time I come, it'll be because I got booked as an actor for an acting job or as a vacation. But this chapter, taking care of family, is done. Rest in peace, and love you. All right, thank you guys for watching. Where's the finish button?